GOODTEK was established in 1996, and we are professional at design and produce double-sided planers, and we are 100% made in Taiwan. Our goal is to make GOODTEK be the first brand comes to people's mind when they need a double-sided planers. Our GTM1320W, its width is 1,320 millimeters, and the height could be 200 to 500 millimeters. And it equips the bike conveyor and the chrome working table surface, which can fit the material smoothly. We are able to clean the glue remaining on the jointed board after assembly. For processing the large materials, our GTM1320W can plan the bottom and top surface in a short time compared to manually planning. It can save a lot of time and labor cost. Because the wood have a lot of internal stress and it's very disadvantageous for the solid wood furniture. And thus we have to cut the wood into several pieces and recombine into panels, and it will need our double-sided planers. We have several customized productions for customers to choose. And for example, we can have the synchronized belt conveyor in front of our machines, or they can have the grooves on the working table surface, special for the wet wood. Because customers not only request the quality and prices, but also prompt deliveries. And in order to deliver our machines in the shortest time to customers, we keep a certain amount of semi-finished productions. And this is the secret for GOODTEK to stay competitive in the market. And we think the advantage of physical exhibitions is we can have discussion with customers about their needs and requirements face-to-face, and they can also see and test the real machines in front of them. GOODTEK will be your best choice if you are looking for double-sided processing solutions. Welcome to visit Wood Taiwan Show.